The first idea is skills-based freelance work, like writing, graphic design, or social media management. If you have any skills, like creating content, designing logos, or helping businesses with their social media, you can start offering your services online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer make it super easy to connect with clients and get started, even if you're a beginner. You can start small, gain experience, and gradually increase your rates as you build a strong portfolio. Another great idea is to create and sell digital products like eBooks, printable planners, or templates. These are perfect for beginners because they require minimal investment. You don't need inventory or shipping. All you need is a computer and a platform to sell on, like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. For example, you could write a simple guide, design a planner for daily tasks, or create Canva templates that people can customize. Once it's created, you can sell it over and over. If you love cooking or baking, starting a home-based food business could be a perfect fit for you. You can offer services like small-scale catering for events, baking cupcakes or cookies for celebrations, or even selling homemade meals to busy people who don't have time to cook. This idea is especially great because it allows you to start small with recipes you're already good at. Plus, you can promote your food through local networks, social media, or even apps that connect home chefs. If you have a green thumb, why not turn your love for plants into a business? You can offer plant care services, like helping people revive their struggling plants or teaching them how to care for their indoor greenery. Another option is to sell propagated plants. Grow new plants from cuttings and sell them locally or online. You could even design small indoor gardens or plant setups for homes and offices. With the growing trend of indoor plants, this business is in demand. If you're skilled in a particular subject or hobby, why not share your knowledge through online tutoring or by creating a short course? For tutoring, you can teach one-on-one or small groups through platforms like Zoom or TutorMe. If you want a more passive approach, you can create a course on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Whether it's math, cooking, graphic design, or even yoga, this business idea is super flexible. You can work from anywhere, set your own schedule, and scale it as you grow. If you're creative and love working with your hands, starting a business in handmade crafts or jewelry could be a great idea. You can make items like earrings, bracelets, candles, or even custom-designed bags. Once your products are ready, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy or showcase them at local markets and fairs. People love unique, handcrafted items, and it's a great way to turn your creativity into income. Plus, you can start small with just a few materials and grow as you gain more. If you're creative and enjoy spending time on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, why not turn that into a business? You can offer social media content creation services to help businesses grow their online presence. This could include creating eye-catching posts, engaging videos, or even managing their accounts. Small businesses often struggle with social media, and that's where you come in. It's a low-cost business to start. All you need is creativity, basic graphic design tools like Canva, and a good understanding of trends to help your clients stand out.